Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my top 5 hardest Rubik's Cubes. Let's get it. So my first cube I'm going to show is the Mofing Jiashi 7x7. This cube isn't really the most difficult one, but it's just very time consuming, and all my puzzles are honestly pretty easy. Here, I'll show you a pattern real quick. The Mofing Jiaoshis are pretty smooth. I would definitely recommend one of these. But yeah. And like I said, it's not the most difficult one, but it's just very time consuming. And it's pretty much solved just like any other bigger puzzles like the 5x5. That takes a little less time. But yeah, this is the Mofing Jiashi 7x7. Next up is the Wait Eden 3x3x9. This one is a little difficult. It's you solve it just like a 3x3x2, just there's more layers, more parts to it. And each, like this can be up here and this can be down there, and then it won't solve because they're misorientated. And then like this one you can just do one algorithm, but this one you have to do two, because this part will get messed up if you only do one. This is a pretty fun puzzle. Definitely recommended. Pretty difficult. My next hardest puzzle is the Medford Challenge. This is like a it's a dodecahedron, I think, and which it basically means it has 12 sides. This puzzle is honestly pretty difficult. I really don't know how to solve it. You have to turn it. You can't just turn it one. You have to turn it twice. But yeah, this is the Medford Challenge. The last two puzzles are the Sudoku Cube and the Molecule Cube. So these puzzles basically solve the same. They're 3x3s, but you gotta get different. On this one you gotta get different numbers on each side, and this one you have to get different colors. And then also you have to get them like the same direction. I don't know really how to solve this. Just like this one. They're probably my most difficult puzzles in my collection. Okay, to recap, my hardest puzzles are the 3x3x9, 7x7, Medford Challenge, and the Molecule Cube and Sudoku Cube. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this wasn't too funny for you guys. But yeah, bye.